How to find your Netflix password if you forgot it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can find your Netflix password if you have forgotten it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you have to understand that Netflix or any of the other streaming services application does not allow you to view your current password even if you've forgotten it. However, there is a way on how you can reset your password even if you do not remember your current password. And for that, you need to have access to at least your email address associated with your Netflix account, or either your phone number which you have input in your Netflix account as well. So just go ahead and then launch the Netflix application over here. And once you launch the Netflix application, just go ahead and then log into your specific profile. Once you log into your profile, let's say I forgot the password to this account, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner and come to the option that says account. And over here, what you want to do is you have to scroll down and find the option called change password. But the only downside is that you have to remember your current password for this. But since we forgot our current password, we're going to tap on the blue button that says forgot password. And once you tap on forgot password button, it will send a verification code to either your email address or to either your text message in order to go ahead and then set a new password. However, assuming that this isn't the option for you as well, again, in this case, what you can do is, if you're lucky and you might have saved your password to your browser, you can just go to netflix.com and go to the sign in screen from the top right hand side of the screen. And once you do so, you can see it will ask me to enter my email or phone number, but as we said earlier, we do not remember our password. So just tap on it, and at the bottom, if you're lucky and you have saved your password before, you'll be able to see all of your saved passwords on this list. And as you do that, you can just go ahead and select any of the accounts on which your Netflix account is logged into. When your password will be typed in automatically, you can tap on the I button on the right hand side to view your current password. And these are basically some of the ways on how you can find your password if you have forgotten it on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.